This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Wispr Flow on a Mac. So I'm right here on the main pricing page of Wispr Flow. You can see the different premium plans and the free plan that they have right here. First things first, I do have a link in the video description, an affiliate link just below this video. If you click that, you will find yourself on a page like this or very similar, depending on how Wispr Flow actually change their pages over time. So you can see right here, this page will allow you to get 14 days of Flow Pro for free. So that is their premium plan with unlimited words per week on Mac, Windows, iPhone and Android. So there are limitations on the free plan, as you can see here. 2,000 words per week on Mac or Windows, 1,000 per week on the iPhone. Actually doing unlimited words per week on Android for a limited time only currently. But how you will download it, whether you find yourself here on the pricing page, you do have the big download for Mac OS button right here, and maybe you're on the main page, you can also click download for Mac OS there. Same difference. I'm just going back to the pricing as I want to talk about the 14-day free trial. So with my link, you do get this 14-day free trial. You can see right here, essentially you're signing up for free. As it says here, there's no credit card required. There's no risk to you. You can check out Flow Pro for 14 days for free just by downloading it on your Mac. No credit card required. Check it out. And I mean, it's a very reasonable price. If on the annual plan, 20% discount, it is £12 per user per month. That is around $17-18 in US dollars. Pretty good. So what you're going to do to download for Mac OS, click this download for Mac button right here. You will then sign into, or sign up to, I should say, your account. You can go old school, just enter your email right here, or you can click continue with Google. So this is your Google account. If you have Google account or Gmail, you can log in with that and verify. Same difference with Apple or Microsoft, and you can also continue with SSO, or like I say, go old school, enter your email here, click continue, and it will then start downloading, and you can start your 14-day free trial of Wispr Flow on me. See if it is the right tool for you. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. You don't know until you give it that test drive. Check it out. Hopefully you found this video on how to download Wispr Flow for the Mac useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.